Hey everyone, this is Becky, Black Up Beauty 14. Now, in today's video, as you guys know, I've been doing a full face of different brands for pretty much over a year now, being here on YouTube. So I've done a full face of Gosh Cosmetics, Revlon, MUA, and I just sat here the other day and I just thought, there has to be a favourite. I narrowed it down, I wrote a list and I narrowed it down of all the brands I've done throughout the whole year, and the one brand which was my favourite brand was, imaginative drum roll there, was Makeupgallery. Yes, it was Makeupgallery. I was so blown away, not because of the price point of these products, but they perform just as good as some of my high-end products, or perform just as good as some of the other products I have, but for a fraction of the price. I'm not being paid or sponsored by Makeupgallery. They don't even know I'm doing this video. They did not pay me. But no, I'm not being paid or sponsored to say this. This is just my personal opinion. Primark came really close, MUA came very close, but the one that shot up the most was Makeupgallery. I was super impressed how good these products are. So I've decided I'm going to be doing a full face of Makeupgallery again, but I'm going to be creating a different look. So I went in there and bought some new products which I haven't even tried before. So we're going to give the new products a go. So if you guys are going to enjoy this video, please give it a thumbs up, please don't forget to subscribe, please don't forget to hit that notification bell and share this video with your friends, and don't forget to follow me on Instagram. Oh, where am I going? Right here. Instagram. Follow me on Instagram. I tend to post content here and there. So without further ado, let us get started with this video. Okay, I've already done my base off camera because I used as you know, they don't have a primer, so I went in with this one. I've gone in with this Beauty Face Primer, so it's just a blue primer, which I have used in a video before. I did that on a full face of Too True and Miss Beauty Cosmetics. I will link that video down below. I'm using that one as a base. So I've gone in with the foundation and concealer. I've already used these already, and I've set my under eyes with the very well loved, and I loved it, setting powder, the Smoothly Does It pressed powder in translucent. If you want to see my first impressions of a full face of Poundland makeup, where I feature Makeupgallery, I will link that video down below if you want to see my very first impressions. A quick shout out to Makeupgallery. They've actually saw my YouTube video and my Instagram post. Thank you guys for being so nice. Makeupgallery is a really nice company. They're really bubbly, they're very friendly, and I'm glad they like my sense of humour, because my sense of humour can be a little bit random. So thank you guys for being really, really nice. Now you guys have seen on my YouTube video and my Insta post I did, they were both very dramatic looks. So for this look, I'm going to be going very natural today, and I'm also going to go for a nude lip. Which I never go for. I know in my Insta post I did go for a nude lip because I wanted to see what their new colour was like, because I love their matte ones, as you know, their matte lip creams actually. Have I got it up here somewhere? Yeah, this is the one I used in the video, which was their Pout Matters matte lip cream. But I usually tend to buy their Vamp colours because they're really, really nice. So I just wanted to give the nude one a go and see what it came up as. But it came out as a really nice everyday sort of colour. So yeah, if you like them sort of natural lip colours, like your lips but better, definitely go for their nude ones. But their Vamp ones are so nice. They're definitely a great dupe for the NYX lip creams because, oh, they smell so nice as well. So I'm going to start off with the eyes because I'm not doing anything dramatic and there's not going to be any fallout, I hope. So I went in and bought this. So this is the same I used in the Instagram video, but this is these are different shades. So this is the Do the Duo eyeshadow, and it's in the shade Nutmeg 2. Righty-ho. So this is really nice. This is just a nice everyday quad. So you've got a very light sort of set the lid colour, and then you've got a nice transition colour. So I'm gonna just go in with that colour. So the light one here, just going to set my lid with that. I know I've already set it with powder, but let's just set it again. So I'm going to go in with just a very old Revlon brush, and I'm just going to set the lid with that. I'm not going to do anything crazy, it's just going to be a very natural everyday wear look, because my last few looks have been quite dramatic, which I've loved, but I just wanted to keep this one quite neutral today. So we're just going to set that in place. Alrighty, so I'm actually going to go in now with that transition colour, and I'm just going to work that in the crease with that same brush. So I'm just going to grab that colour, and I'm just going to apply this and work it in the crease area. Oh yeah, this is a very, very sort of natural, everyday brown colour. Just going to build it up as well a little bit more. Yeah, so I just went in with my Essence brush just to soften it out a little bit, and it is really nice. This is just a nice everyday brown. So you could just go with this and put it all over the lid just to brighten up your lid, and you're pretty much good to go. Put a bit of mascara on and you're good to go. There's your natural everyday look there. But for me, I wanted a little bit of shimmer on the lid. So I went up and picked this one up here. I've also got the white version as well, which I'll be using that later on. But this is, well they are, this is the All That Shimmers eyeshadow shimmer, and it's in the shade Autumn 3. So it's this really nice, beautiful, coppery, browny, shimmery colour. I'm just going to, I took the plastic off, so we just have, oh, it's one of those little rollerball things. Oh, okay, I've never used a rollerball eyeshadow thing before. I'm just going to apply this to the lid, so it looks really pretty. So I'm just going to roll this on the lid. Whoa, can you guys see that? Whoa, that's stunning. But that is really pretty. I'm going to see what it's like applying it with the finger as well. So I'm just going to roll it on the back of my hand. Just going to see what it's like applying it to the finger as well. That works as well. Oh yes, hello. Well, that's not too much shimmer, like over glittery powder in your face. That is just a beautiful everyday wear shimmer. You know, this is so wearable. I'm going to go in with that brush, my Essence brush, and I'm just going to just blend it in with the matte transition colour. I'm just going to blend these two in together. So I'm going to use the white one now just to brighten up my inner corners. So this one, this eye shimmer was in the shade Eclipse, and it's this really beautiful white reflect. I'm just going to apply this in the inner corners. So wow. See that? Whew. So pretty. So that's my inner corners now. Now I'm now going to use a bit of liquid eyeliner. Now as you know, I love their grey liquid eyeliner. So I picked up the brown version. So this one is the Makeupgallery Pro Liquid Eyeliner. This one's in the shade brown 4. Right, I am just going to, I'm not going to create a wing, I'm just going to line my eyes with this brown. So, just going to, but yeah, I loved their grey one. I was so impressed by it that I had to get the brown version. So, just gonna line my eye with that. Right, I've done my eyes with that liquid eyeliner. Still really nice, just as nice as the grey one. So I'm nearly finishing off the eyes, so I am gonna go back in with that brown colour here. Just gonna smoke that under the lower lash line and put that in the waterline as well, because I did forget to buy their brown eye pencil, so I'm just gonna smoke this in the waterline. So I'm just gonna go in with a Urban Decay Alice in Wonderland doing the brush. Gonna go with that. Well, it was from their Alice in Wonderland collection. So I'm just going to smoke that. Okay, so I've taken the liberty of applying mascara off camera. I used the Turn Up and Volume Define Mascara, which I did wear in my Poundland video. So I've taken the liberty of just liberty of applying that to my eyes, and that is pretty much the eyes all done. This is just a nice everyday wearing eye look. You can tone down the white if you didn't want it that blinding in a corner. You could just tone it down a lot more. So I'm going to move on to the face. I have already set under my eyes, but I haven't set the rest of my face because I wanted to try these. So this is the Glow with the Flow cream highlighter, and I chose the shade Ice 1. So right, it's got a very nice sort of bluey, like white but blue reflex in it. So looks really nice. So I'm just going to apply this with my finger. And we will see. Oh, hello. Oh, that's nice. Oh, that is nice. Is it buildable? I'm just building it up a bit more. Oh, yeah. Look at that. Yes. See, I'm building it up. It's not moving the foundation around. It's not moving the concealer around. This is very, very pretty. So I'm just going to take some and do it on the other side as well. That is nice. That's a nice glow from within. Obviously, if you're not into them sort of blue highlighters, then this is probably not for you. They did have another shade as well, which was, I think, I didn't swatch it in the store, but I believe that one was a different tone of colour. That one was a different white colour. Correct me if I'm wrong. But that one I think didn't have a blue reflect and had a different colour reflect in it. So, try a bit to the ridge of my nose. Here. And here. Well, I'm now just going to set my face with powder. I'm not going to say any more about this powder. I've shown this powder 10,000 times, but you guys know how I feel about this powder. So, I'm just going to set it in place. But as I've set that cream product in place, it's made it a lot more of a natural glow. So it's made it a lot more subtle, so it's toned it down a lot. So that's really nice if you wanted that natural highlight but you didn't want it as intense. And if you put powder on top, it will just make it a lot more subtle. So you can see how subtle it is on my face. But yeah, really nice, it's really subtle, really pretty. So now moving on to bronzer. Now in the video, I used the matte version. I used the Good to Glow matte bronzer. But in this video, I picked up the shimmer version because, as you know, I was very tempted to go for the shimmer, but I went for the matte. So this one, gone for the shimmer version. So this is the Good to Glow Bronze Shimmer, and this was in the shade Shimmer Light 3. So I'm going to go on an angled brush here. And let's give this one a go. Oh yeah, you can see the shimmer. Very, very subtle though. So that's nice. Yeah, that's nice. So I'm gonna go in with that brush that I used the setting powder on, cleaning up those edges, as I usually do. So in actual fairness, you could just get away wearing these two products on their own for a natural look. So you could get away with these two, absolutely. Completely natural, yeah. You can definitely get away with it. It looks more intense on the monitor, but in person, they are a lot more subdued. So, but no. I'm gonna go in with blush now. Now, I used this one in my Poundland video, so this is a bit of a spoiler, but I actually used this as a blush topper. Because this is actually it's Good to Glow highlighting powder in the shade Pearl Sheen, but this was too dark for me as a highlighter, so I used this as a blush topper, which worked really nicely. It worked as a beautiful blush topper. So I'm actually going to wear this today as a blusher, so because it's very subtle as well, so it would make a perfect blush. So I'll go back in with that same brush. And just going to apply that to the apples of the cheeks, like here. Just going to put it right here. Well, see what I mean? Just a perfect natural blush. That highlighter powder just works great on its own. So out of curiosity, the All Shimmers eyeshadow in Eclipse that I used in my inner corners, I know it's meant to be a natural look, but I'm curious to know how good this works on top of cream. So I think I'm gonna put it on the bridge of my nose and let's see if that works good together. Because I think this could pretty much work as a really good highlighter as well. So I'm just gonna roll this down my nose. Yeah, that works really nice. You can see that shine on the bridge of my nose. You can see the shine. So I'll just put a bit here and a little bit here. Just give it one roll. Oh yeah, that's so nice. I nearly forgot my eyebrows. So now, I'm not going to say anymore, but you guys know how good this product is. But if you watched in my YouTube video, you know the colour was not quite right. So I actually found the brown version of this pencil, which was the Makeupgallery Take a Brow eyebrow pencil, and I found the shade Brown 2. So right, I'm going to fill in my eyebrows. Oh, I already did use this for my Instagram video, hence to why it's a little bit flat. I should really sharpen it, but I can't find my sharpener. So I'm just going to start filling in my eyebrows with this pencil. Right, I've done the eyebrow off camera, and I did use a little bit of all that shimmer just underneath as a brow bone highlighter. I didn't want to make the points too pointy, but yeah, as you can see, this colour is a much better colour for me. This colour is so much better for my hair and all that. I know the brows are a little bit too bold. I made them a little bit too bold for a natural look. I probably could have got away better with their eyebrow kit, but oh well, I still like it. So yes, I'm going to be moving on to lips now. So I have this one here, which I've not tried before. So this is the Makeupgallery Butter Me Up Lip Butter, and it's in the shade Cappuccino 1. Right, I'm going to start by applying this to the lips now. Ooh, it smells really nice. But yeah, this is super hydrating. I've actually got their, what's this called? It's the All About the Colour Moisture Lipstick. I used this one in the Poundland video, and this one was really hydrating. But this one, God, their lip butter is even more hydrating because it's got more of the balm sort of texture like this one has, but I would say the lip butter is a little bit more hydrating. But it's very, very comfortable. I'm not gonna lie, this is definitely not my kind of colour. I don't really go for nudes, I'm not gonna lie. But it is a lovely, I keep getting stuck in my teeth. It's a nice everyday wearable colour though. If you like the nice nude natural pink colour, this one is nice. Your lips but better colour. So I'm going to set my face in place now. So they don't have a setting spray, so I'm just going to go in with my Primark setting spray. It's the Glow setting spray. I'm just going to go in with that and set my face in place. Move my drawer out of the way. And that is it, guys. This is the completed look. So I really hope you guys have enjoyed this video. This video was a lot of fun to do. I've definitely broken my comfort zone of going for a nude lip today, something different that I don't usually go for. Makeupgallery is such a good brand. If you're passing Poundland and you need something super affordable, whether it's an eyeshadow, mascara, a brow pencil, definitely go in there. They're only £1. Don't worry, I'm still not sponsored. If you guys have really enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. Please don't forget to subscribe. Please don't forget to hit that notification bell and share this video with your friends. And don't forget to follow me on Instagram, where I tend to post content here and there. So thank you guys very much for watching. Have a lovely day, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!